Hello, my name is Dana Ward, and I'm the VP and General Manager of the FAIR Patient Registry and Data Commons, and today I'm going to speak to you about both. The FAIR Patient Registry is an easily accessible, robust, secure, and IRB-approved study that captures the daily living experiences of 12,000 and growing food allergic individuals. This data is readily available to you for your research. As many of you know, patient registries vary greatly in purpose, operation, and impact, and the FAIR Patient Registry is truly unique. The registry offers clinicians and researchers the opportunity to hear directly from thousands of patients of all ages from a variety of backgrounds and across the U.S. These participants have all shared their unique perspectives, helping to paint a clearer picture of what it's like to live with food allergies. To quote our very own Dr. Tom Casale, the registry's principal investigator, "The pace of food allergy research is accelerating every day, and there's much hope on the horizon in the form of new therapies and a deeper understanding of the disease. The FAIR Patient Registry is a powerful tool that will help us get there faster by promoting collaboration between two groups of experts, the individuals and families living with food allergy and the research community committed to solving this epidemic." By providing real-world insight into the incidence and quality of life impact of food allergy, the registry supports the development of knowledge, tools, and resources needed to quickly advance clinical research and build a pipeline of new therapies. The registry also informs development of educational materials and advocacy initiatives. The registry is an IRB-approved study that continues to enroll patients who provide informed consent and dissent. We are asking our FAIR Clinical Network to focus on recruiting their patients to join the registry by distributing materials and educating food allergic individuals and caregivers about participation. These materials are all IRB approved. Because patients enter data themselves, sites do not need separate IRB approval. To date, 12,000 patients or caregivers on their behalf have voluntarily enrolled directly through the FAIR Patient Registry website at fairregistry.org. These are highly engaged consumers who want to help. Many see the registry as their way to give back, transforming their years of experiences and challenges into data that will enable researchers to better understand this disease, helping to inform improvements in treatment and care moving forward. So how does it work? To join, food allergic individuals or their caregivers go online to fairregistry.org on any device. They will be prompted to create a secure account profile, provide informed consent, and as relevant, assent, and then complete a series of food allergy-related surveys. It's very simple and a quick process. These foundational surveys continually gather vital patient-reported data covering food allergy history, reactions, and the psychosocial aspect of managing food allergies. The Food Allergy Reaction Survey gathers longitudinal data by inviting participants to return and log each reaction they have, so their different reactions may be studied over time. We ask participants to tell us where they receive their care and include all FAIR Clinical Network centers in a drop-down menu which they can select from. Each participant has a personal dashboard to guide activities on the registry platform. In addition to the core surveys, we can also field follow-up questions to cohorts of participants based upon demographics and survey responses. We will continue to launch additional surveys, and we welcome input on new surveys from researchers and industry. We also have the ability to send surveys from partners to our registry participants, either by publicizing in our newsletters or by targeting and emailing participants who meet the study criteria and have opted in to take part in other research studies. So let's talk about the registry data tells us today. The 12,000 participants are fairly evenly split between male and female. The majority are children, but we have a large number of adults. We track on over 200 different allergens, and almost 4 in 5 participants are allergic to more than one food. Looking at racial and ethnic representation, white patients make up the majority of the current cohort, though patients of other races and ethnicities are represented and growing. In fact, FAIR has made further diversification of the registry a priority focus for growth. We are identifying barriers to joining the registry, prioritizing diversification strategies with FCN sites based on their patient population and demographics, and implementing new recruiting strategies to be more inclusive of all food allergic individuals. We developed a new registry explainer video to help with recruitment efforts. It is an animated video narrated by Noreen, who is a real food allergy coach. With this video, we seek to engage and educate prospective participants about the registry in a more conversational and inclusive way. It includes emphasizing this teamwork theme, reinforcing the value of sharing their unique experiences living with food allergy. These are some of the screenshots from the videos, which will be posted on our websites and on social media. So back to participant data. As we look at participation more granularly, we've broken out registry participants by state. California, New York, and Illinois, in teal, have the most participants, between 500 and 1,000. Blue states have 300 to 500 participants, yellow have 100 to 300, and gray have 0 to 100 participants. Regionally, breaking the country into 5 regions, we see the greatest participation in the Northeast, Southeast, and Midwest. The lowest participation is currently in the Southwest. Our registry team will be working with each and every clinic in our network to get patients in those clinics to register for the FAIR Registry. As a network, we see over 100,000 patients. Let's work together to get as many possible into the registry. Just think of the rich research that could be done on that large of a data set. This chart shows the percent of registry participants who report allergies to the top 9 allergens. Peanut is the top reported allergen in our registry, followed by tree nut, egg, and then milk. Our participants self-report comorbidities. For example, 48% have reported eczema and 47% have reported asthma. There are many ways to slice and dice registry data, and we're hoping many of you do reach out to us to do so. Some investigators have already mined the data to produce abstracts and manuscripts. The 3 highlighted manuscripts are near publication. At this research retreat, you can view 3 different presentations about these manuscripts. Please watch those to learn what your colleagues have discovered with registry data. We encourage you to visit the registry, take a look around, and sign up as a researcher. You can access Researcher Portal application at researcher.fairregistry.org or contact me. When you create a researcher account and it's approved, you can then work with us to get de-identified survey data to explore. We are very excited to have publications with our data and look forward to many more in the near future. Please reach out to me with any ideas for studies, and we can help you do initial analysis on our data. We are hoping many of you will want to do research with this data set. Of course, the registry is just the beginning of something much bigger and more powerful that will address food allergy science in a comprehensive way. The FAIR Data Commons will be a state-of-the-art, secure, centralized food allergy patient data platform that will enable medical entities from around the globe to share and access privacy-protected data in one common place, enabling researchers to work together to drive research forward. Our objective is to build a harmonized food allergy patient data platform that incorporates data from the FAIR Patient Registry, the FAIR Clinical Network, the Biorepository, and other partner data sources. Integrating and analyzing EMR data from our FAIR Clinical Network is critical to achieving our goal to validate registry participant diagnosis. Once we've gotten this harmonized data into a data commons, researchers will be able to access and analyze this data. Starting Q1 of this year, FAIR, in partnership with Northwestern, gathered a group of subject matter experts to develop the first food allergy data dictionary. This will allow us to integrate standards and data collection procedures at FCN sites and then link data to the data commons. Next, we'll begin to develop an EPIC smart form based on the data dictionary and will pilot implementation at some FCN sites. We will start to connect electronic medical records to the data commons and patient-reported outcomes, and we'll pilot that at select FCN sites. The ultimate goal of FAIR's integrated patient data strategy is to enable development of robust studies and to offer the food allergy community access to research-ready datasets and analytical tools to more rapidly perform activities that promise to speed development of new solutions and optimize existing care. It is a watershed moment in food allergy science, and I'm honored to work with all of you who are on the forefront of this innovative work. There's truly much hope on the horizon. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to email me if you have questions or comments. Thanks again.